All right, this video today, we're going to be walking through how to scan the market for support in resistance zones. And so I cannot stress this enough. It's so important to have tools, to have alerts, to have things like that to tell you where these specific zones are. And right now we have a brand new scanner out, which essentially does it. It'll identify support, it'll identify resistance zones. Now, obviously, not everything in this life is going to just be like a perfect 100%. Once we get once it says go buy, you buy. Once it says sell, you sell. But it is very cool. So all you guys who are technical traders who like to look at the charts, or folks who just don't really have time to do it, everything is going to be right here. And so this is a brand new support resistance scanner. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in knowing more about this. If not, it's totally 100% okay. But this is just something that that we created, really excited about, and we got a lot of opportunities. So this is just today, right? So I'm going to be looking at a trade today, a trade we got, which is euro dollar. And so we got forex, crypto stocks, all this good stuff. And so we'll look at a euro dollar trade. I know a lot of you folks are forex folks out there, so we got a lot of forex traders. But yeah, this is a really interesting trade opportunity. This is a bounce sell. So we actually got this about 41 minutes ago, actually not very long ago. So this was a bounce opportunity. So I actually drew this here on the chart. This is the zone that it was looking at. This is the zone where it says, okay, here, this is a resistance zone. You can actually see these two, this is an interesting what euro dollar did here. Big long wicks here, but this is the zone. This is the zone that it found. This is the zone that said, hey, we might bounce here. So this could be a really good opportunity to bounce. So we actually have an entry price, stop loss, take profit. Take profit is all the way down here. So this is actually a great looking trade. I mean, this is a great zone. It's a great target zone. Just because I just drew this just because I saw these. Looks like a nice little triangle pattern, and so this is really interesting because you can be a chart trader and use something like this, and it'll just help you identify and see, okay, this is a critical zone. Am I interested in this? Am I not interested? So that is that's just one of the great ways of doing it. Or it's always, these are really critical levels, and so there's gonna be a lot of eyeballs on these trades, and so this is a great opportunity to get in, jump in, and grab it. So that is euro dollars. Let's actually look at Solana. So this is another great trade that just signaled today at 3 o'clock. So it's actually 3 hours ago, or almost 4 hours ago now. And so this was the zone that I identified. So I put this on the chart here just because I actually saw this, and it was just, I was shocked. I was like, this is a perfect zone, a breakout zone. In fact, check this out. So this is a nice area where it broke out. So this was actually 1-2 touches, and as soon as the third one came out, it broke out and went to the upside. So this is a great opportunity. This is actually where it got in, right there, and now it is riding. Right now, it is going to be, it's going to have to continue to follow this. Hopefully, it can continue to break this and just continue to go to the upside. We actually haven't hit, there is a take profit target of 197.55. So that's up here. And so it could get there. Probably not today. I'm going to say that it'll probably go sideways here, and then potentially another leg up could hit at maybe as early as even tomorrow. So again, that's just two trades that I just got in the last, I'm going to say 3 hours, right? And so that's really cool because you can use a scanner like this. And I'm telling you, this thing just keeps going and going and going and going. We do take profits, stop losses, all that's good stuff. It's just all right here on the scanner. I want you guys to get access to this. So you go ahead. If this is something you're interested in, I will throw that in the description below. Again, this is not needed, but it is a great tool to have. I'll be trying to do live trade setups, live trade opportunities. We got the one right now. So if you're watching this right now, that euro dollar trade, I like this. I think this is a great opportunity. Obviously, this isn't a trading advice. This is just all strictly for education. But this is a great looking resistance area, and targeting down here could be a great 2-to-1 trade opportunity that you have right there. So I'm going to keep this up on the chart. Perhaps I could do a quick update if you're interested in an update on this trade. Even just maybe throw in the comments, hey, I want an update, and maybe I'll do an update tomorrow, show you guys what this did, or you can just follow along on the chart. But yeah, that's just a couple trades there. If you're interested in some, maybe some live updates or things like that, let me know as well. I could easily do that. You don't, and don't act like you have to get this, right? Because I know a lot of folks will be like, oh, well, you're selling this and that. It's like, yeah, we put a lot of, development costs and things like that to get these zones exactly where we want them to be. This isn't just like a normal, just like a touch point, and then there's a lot of stuff that is happening where it is signaling a bounce or a breakout. So pretty cool stuff, really exciting. So if you're interested in that, go and check it out. If not, I'll probably be doing some live updates, different trades on here. I think this is a perfect way to do it, and it'll give me an opportunity to find some really great trades. I've been doing this. Like I said, and I said this in our other video. Today I was making a sandwich, and we got a SPY alert, right? We got an SPY, and sure enough, this was actually right here on this breakout, and it's what a great trade it was today. So this was a breakout opportunity here, and I can even find that real quick. And so let's actually zoom down here. So entry was 6448, and so this is where entry was 6. Let's see. Let's go over here. 640. So right here, yeah, right there was the breakout opportunity, and great trade today. So a great opportunity. And so I saw that one today. I was like, oh, wow, that looks like a decent opportunity. Sure enough, all-time highs again. Congratulations, folks, all you guys who've been, if you have been holding on to the stocks for dear life all the way, what's down here when we did a little pullback, if you've been holding on, great job. I know it's hard to do, but it definitely pays off to hold. And so anyways, I just threw that in there at the last second, but like I said, if you're interested, go check it out. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.